Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video resume. I am ASM Sayem. I born and brought up in Bangladesh. I have completed Bachelor of Arts in Tourism and Hospitality Management, a 4 years degree from IUBAT, International University of Business, Agriculture and Technology. I am passionate on tourism and hospitality management, so my desire is to become a hotelier. My university is designed for learning. During my study period, I have been trained practically by my university on different departments of a hotel like front office, housekeeping, food and beverage production, food and beverage services, etc. I can work bakery and pastry department also. I completed my internship in front office from Ascot Palace, Dhaka, with excellent supervision of Ms. Johra Jamin Anika, Senior Lecturer of IUBAT, and Mr. Farhad Hussain, Front Office Supervisor of Ascot Palace, Dhaka. I am multilingual with speaking Bengali as a mother tongue, English and Hindi as well. I am excellent in presentation skill. I can work with a team and I can follow a team leader efficiently, and in the same time I can lead a team also. During my undergraduate period, I worked with fully facilitated hospitality lab. I participated in a number of academic activities as well as social activities. I am a CPR trained with certifications from my university. I like participating in different competitions. I don't want to limit myself in my own field. Also, I have been working as a YouTuber since 2017 to teach people on different topics. I am being inspired by my teachers as well as so many hoteliers. I am also persistent and motivated when trying to achieve a goal. You can see a link of my LinkedIn profile to get to know me better professionally. If you wonder about me outside of the work, here is my Instagram and Facebook profile from where you can learn more about my personal life. If you have any query about me or if you want to contact with me, here is my email address. It's sajibsayem02@gmail.com, SAJIBSAYEM02@gmail.com. Thanks for watching my video resume. Allah Hafiz.